Indonesia, a nation of more than 17,000 islands, 1,340 ethnics, and 546 different languages. Celebrating the unity and diversity, the cultural richness, as well as to commemorate the National Resurgence Day, introducing Alpha AR Pin, an augmented reality pin that expresses our pride for the nation and patriotism. Simply scan each of the pins to trigger the augmented reality content portraying various Indonesian icons, for instance, the National Monument, the Komodo Dragon, the Becak, Borobudur, Ondel-Ondel, the Balinese dance, and traditional house of Toraja. Now, combine all the 7 pins. Each pin will light up some of the 35 lights representing the number of provinces in Indonesia. Once all combined, the national anthem of Indonesia, the Indonesia Raya, will appear. More than 200,000 pieces sold in weeks. Express your pride being Indonesian. Celebrate diversity. As we are one.